Hello, in this video I'll be giving you a quick overview and tutorial of the option chain in OEC Trader. To start off, you're going to want to head over to Charts and Quotes and open up a new quote board window. Now for demo purposes, I'm going to add in a symbol here. I do this by clicking the green plus, and I'm going to look for the EES mini. I'm going to hit OK. And now I've added it to my quote board. And now for the main purpose of this video, the option chain. You can find that feature by clicking on any entity you have in your quote board window, and then by clicking on the Find Option Chain button right here. Now if it's not there by default, you can go over to this arrow right here, click Add or Remove Buttons, click Standard, and then find your option chain right here, and you can toggle it on or off. Now I'm going to open up the option chain feature by simply clicking on my entity and clicking the Find Option Chain button. Now you can see the option chain opened up for the E-mini feature I chose. Here you see the underlying option I have, the ESH8. I can choose the amount of quantity. I can choose the range from either in the money, out of the money, near, or all. I can select the number of strikes I'd like to put on the option chain at one time. I can sort by the type, calls, puts, or both calls and puts. I can sort by expiration date. And I can also show by calendar or by strike. I can also separate by Greeks. Now let's say, for example, I wanted to buy one of these options. Just simply right click on it. And now I can either add it to my DOM chart, or I can add it to another quote board manager window. Or I could simply buy or sell right here. I'm going to click up on buy, which now opens on this window. I can select the quantity I want to buy, etc., buy or sell. And if I really wanted to buy, I could hit transmit F12. Hit OK. And as you can see, it has been added. Now let's say you wanted to actually check if you bought this option or not. Close out of both of these windows and head back to the main page of OEC. From here, go on down to the account summary window and click on the positions tab. Highlighted in green shows the symbol or the option that we purchased in the option chain. You can see that we bought one. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, feel free to give it a thumbs up. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to give us a call or send us an email. Follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative content related to the futures market.